we are on the eve of launching one of our latest creations here. We'll be launching Fox.com.
The thing with Fox is that they have already amazing style in place for the broadcast design. It's very simple, it's very clean, it's very bold, it's very flat, with really distinguished bright colors and color scheme. The whole design of Fox is based on their Fox brand. They call it So Fox, which is just a simple Fox logo, and they're reusing the shapes of letter O, for example, F and X. So it's very, very minimalistic, but at the same time people can recognize it immediately.
Knowing that FI was going to do Fox.com was amazing. It's a pinnacle project in this space, but the journey to get there was quite something else. Back in 2003, we did the now famous Roadrunner portal. MTV.com was in 2006, Burton TV and Juiced were just last year in 2009, and those were just a few of the steps along the way to get a Fox.com into FI.
It's been pretty exciting to work with one of the biggest broadcasting networks on the entire planet. What's more exciting is developing a website that millions of people are going to be viewing.
Fox.com, it's a big website with millions of users, and our job was to be there from the very beginning. From the very first moment of this project, we have been brought in, and we have worked on basically all aspects of the website.
We had to create a way for people to watch the amazing Fox shows online, and all the available full episodes and clips in one page, and to make it really seamless, to make a really seamless interaction between different types of content. So if I watch House, for example, I can watch all available full-length episodes and clips just being on one Fox page, which is really convenient and simple.
One of the main components you'll see through Fox.com is a little plugin we wrote called the Infinite Carousel. We figured it was one of the best ways to get a lot of content into a confined space, but also not restrict the user by what content they can actually see. A lot of carousels normally just go left to right, and kind of once you get to the end, that's as far as you can go. The ability with the Infinite Carousel is it does scroll forever. No matter how many items are in the carousel, it will always do a perfect loop. So if it's an uneven number, for example, we have 5, if there was 7, then it would take the last 3 and put it to make it a perfect 10.
One of the UI elements that I was involved with developing, which is used throughout the site, is the tooltip. And the cool thing about these tooltips is really depending upon the size of the browser, where you're at with the browser, it kind of relocates.
Being one of the biggest broadcasting networks on the entire planet, having built the website is a pretty crucial chore for any agency to have, and we took a lot of pride into making it one of the best experiences for any user coming to Fox, whether it's to find out show information, schedule information, watch clips, full episodes, and any other bit of media that Fox can throw up on the website. When people come to the website, one of the most requested features is to see the schedule. So what's on tonight, what did I miss yesterday, what's coming on for the rest of the week. We broke that out into a macro schedule and a micro schedule as well. And on the home page, you'll see the micro schedule, which just lists Monday to Sunday. One of the tricky things was, how do we display an entire week in such a small section just here? We decided that we can use sort of a sliding paginator, but when we think about sliding pagination, it's normally one long list sliding back and forth. We developed a way that we can get from Monday to Sunday in just a single click.
We work very closely with the team over at Fox to create a new system architecture for the new Fox.com site to complement the new look and feel and interactive components that we created for them. One of the main components of the Fox.com site was the video component, and we had to work very closely to create a rich user experience which was also very engaging for the end users.
You'll see a giant EP here that has the ability to show images or video as well. So depending on what type of content comes through the CMS will be displayed here in the EP. We actually made a fallback for mobile devices such as the iPhone and iPads. So if they don't have Flash, they will still be able to see a HTML version of the EP. So we basically replicated this whole top section in Flash and in HTML.
We created this view where everything is just there. Like all the videos Fox has available is just in one view, and just one click, and I'm watching the first episodes of the new show. I never watched it.
It's like it's some of the best shows that we watch. I mean, we all, just because we work with Fox, you know, we watch Family Guy. We're fans of House. We're fans of almost every show that they have there, and it's just amazing to know that how do we get all that amazing content that we would normally watch elsewhere in one place. And,
yeah, I think it's pretty cool. It's like something you do, something you watch yourself once a week, and you create an interactive project for other millions of people to watch it, just to help them to watch something you like yourself. I think it's kind of...
It's basically so Fox.
So Fox.
So at the end of the day, all the design, the user testing, the user research, the technology, the performance testing, everything came together in a really good way at the very end. Because if you look at what's now on Fox.com, it's a great mecca for fans of House, fans of Family Guy, just like all of us here, to go there and watch their favorite content every day.